Setting up and using your machine. First you need to add 10 to 20 litres of water to the solution tank. Always use two separate buckets, one clean for the clean water and a separate one for the dirty water. Then add 10 grams per 10 litres of powder to the clean tank. And then a cap full of anti-foam to the waste tank. At the back of the machine there are two plugs, one white one and one black one. Black one's for the heater, so if you need to warm the water up, plug the heater plug in. And as long as there's enough water in the clean tank to lift the float, you can then select the temperature you require. So at the bottom marker here is where the temperature is selected to. At the moment it's 60 degrees. When it gets the temperature, the light will go out and it will stop heating. You then need to plug in the white plug. This will allow, when you first plug it in, you'll hear the cooling fan come on. You need to prime the pump. To do this, use the priming hose. Put the open end in the clean tank, connect the brass coupling to the front, and then just turn the pump on for about 3 to 5 seconds. What you should have is a constant flow of water coming through like that. Once the pump is primed, you can then connect your hoses to the machine. I've already connected the clear internal hand tool, which is for upholstery. Reason for using this one is you won't get any overspray. It will keep all the water inside the hand tool. I'm going to turn the heater off so we're not drawing too much power, and then turn the vacuum motor and the pump on. It'll be quite hard to hear once I do this, but if you can keep an eye on the camera, you'll be able to see how the hand tool is used. As you can see, you can use the hand tool on its side, upside down. As long as you keep the hand tool in contact with the material, you won't get any overspray. It'll keep everything contained inside. And if you need to go over to the edge, you can use the hand tool right up to the side and just put your finger under there to maintain the vacuum, and you can go right around the side like that, or you can change the hand tool and go around that way. Once you've done your cleaning pass with the trigger pulled, let go of the trigger and go back over with just the vacuum to move as much moisture as you can. Once you've finished the cleaning process, at the back of the machine there is a drain valve. Put the bucket under there and pull the lever, and the dirty water will come out into the bucket. Once you've done that, if you still have some water in here, you can use the priming hose to connect on, turn the pump on, and then rinse out all the dirty water from the tank so that it doesn't start to smell too much. Reclose the drain valve, and you'll always be left with a little bit of water in the front of the machine. Once you've close the drain valve, remove your hand tool, turn on the vacuum motor, and then you can suck the rest of the water from here back into the waste tank and then empty it out of the bag. Just let the motor run for a second or two afterwards, just to continue to dry it out. And once you've emptied the water out of the back of the machine, then you can then pack the hoses pack their cables away, just wind them up and put them onto the back of the machine with these cable tidies. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or drop us messages. Thanks a lot.